Hello, hello. I'm live, yay! I have like 47 tabs open on my computer that I'm going to share a couple things with you, but I'm so excited because I have launched this wonderful new course called the Stress Buster Solution, and it's how to relieve your neck and shoulder pain in 3 simple steps. So why did I do an online course? I know that a lot of you guys really don't understand or haven't taken online courses, but in the entrepreneurial world, we do it all the time. And one of the great things that I've found about doing an online course is I love the simplicity of being able to just log in and look at the modules whenever I want. And this is a really low ticket. It's only $27, and you can get all of the information that was inside of my head that I was sharing with my customers. And so that's why I did an online course. And what the problem is that this solves is, and you're going to love this because everybody is working at home right now. And when you're sitting at your desk, you usually are tightening up and you're getting all this tension up in your neck and your shoulders, right? So what I wanted to do was give you a simple way that you can relieve that neck and shoulder pain and feel better really fast. So the main reason that we get all that tension is just because of the habits we have, the positions we're putting our body in, and that we're not in alignment. And alignment has always been my thing. That is what I share with people the most. So I'm going to just show you my screen as soon as I figure out how to do that. And I'm going to show you exactly what is in my course. How's that sound good? Yay! All right. So here is my beautiful screen with my course in it. So I'm just going to show you. It's in a platform called Member Vault. And the other day I was creating this video right here on Loom, and I thought, wouldn't it be great if I could show people behind the scenes of what's in an online course? You know, if you've never taken one, you're like, I don't even know what this is. How's that going to help me? So I'm going to walk you through it and show you exactly what is in it. Okay. So as soon as you get your login, you'll get it by email right after you purchase. Immediately, you'll get an email, and it will have a one-click login that will take you to this. So you can see right here, I'm logged in, and this is the course that I have, right? So over here, you're going to see all of the available or the products that you own right now as a user. This is what I have: free resources in my Stress Buster Solution course. And then over here, there are available products that other products that I have on the platform. So when you get into the course, the first thing you're going to see is the welcome screen, and that is me with the video. And in the video, I talk you through exactly what's in the course and how to use it, and even try to make it easy, because I know people learn differently, right? Some people learn with visually, they like to watch things. Other people, I'm a reader, I like to read things. So I've set it up to make it easy so you have both of those options. So there are 4 modules, and then there's a bonus module that you can unlock when you get these little EP points. What are EP points? Well, they're kind of fun because every time you do an activity, let's say you log into the module, and this is the first module, and I want to do this lesson right here. So it only has one lesson, right? Quick and easy. You're going to learn about the body diagnostics in this one. So you just click there and you go right to that lesson. There's a video, there's some text, and then you can answer some questions that are down here. And all of those activities are going to give you points. And then if you look at the leaderboard, Janice has the most points on here. We've got Diana that's got some points. Amanda, you can, if you're kind of like competitive, then hey, you could rack up some points and get on that leaderboard, right? But the most important thing is is you can actually, you know, when you answer these questions, like I'm going to be the one who reads the answers, and I will answer you back if you have a question for me. So I'm going to help to support you in whatever experience, whatever symptoms you have right now. You know, if some people have just neck pain, some people it's down in their shoulder, other people have low back pain. This course really, it mainly works on neck and shoulder pain, but all muscles are just muscles. And the way we build our muscles is by doing the same thing over and over, right? So you want to build your bicep, you do bicep curls, and you keep doing it. If you're sitting at a desk and your shoulders are up like this all day long because you don't have everything set up optimally, then that is why you keep building those muscles over and over. And so in my massage practice, I had people who would come to me and they would be like, oh, I have this, you know, big pain. Can you work it out? Well, guess what? With this course, you can figure out how to release that yourself. And here's why. In all of the modules that are in here, right? So let's go back to the beginning of the course. I'm going to show you what all the different modules are. So you have 2 quick modules that help you to assess what your symptoms are and what habits you have that are causing the symptoms. That's it. Okay. Then in module 3, we get into the nitty gritty. And in the welcome video, you're going to see that, you know, there are people who like a 5-course experience when they go to a restaurant, right? They want to have drinks and appetizers and a salad, and they want to have an entree, and they want dessert. They want it all. So those people are the ones who want the whole experience and want to get, you know, everything they can out of their course. Then there are people who just are like, okay, just give me the results. I just want the meat and potatoes. Module 3 is the meat and potatoes. If you're that person who just wants results, go to module 3, learn these simple things, because these are really excellent, simple things that you can do. You've got your stretches. You've got even little PDFs, like you can download a PDF here. You can watch the video of it. Again, I've hit every learning type so that it can make it, you know, I want this to be easy. I want this to be fun for you. And let me tell you something. There's no better feeling than knowing you're in control of your own body, right? And so you have the ability, without having to go to a chiropractor or a massage therapist or anyone else, or, you know, taking medication. You can literally, once you learn this stuff, you will know it for life, and you'll be in control of those muscles instead of letting them control you. So let me show you a couple of other quick little things that I have in the course. That is my Facebook page. You don't care about that. But here, this is my workbook. So you have a workbook, and it has several different pages where you can, you know, again, if you're that type person that wants everything, you can keep track of it all there, right? So that's one thing that we have in the course. Then the other thing is, this is when you click on my page to go to it, this is where you're going to go. This is going to tell you all the things that you're going to get, who I am, what I do, everything you're going to learn, and then all of the module or all of the bonuses. So here's what's in the bonuses. I'm going to walk you through this step by step by step. So it takes 21 days to instill a habit in your life, right? So I'm going to send you an email every day with a little reminder. I mean, nothing big. You don't even have to open them if you don't want, because everything is in the course, but they'll have the headline, exactly what to expect in it. And then if you want to get a hold of me, all you have to do is drop a comment in my Facebook page, and we have a private Facebook group that you can be in, or you can just email me and I will get right back with you. Okay. And that way you get the support you need with your specific problem and I can help you with it. Then another way I tried to make things easy was everything that is in the course, I have the Stress Proof Your Life toolkit. So every single thing, one of the things that I've noticed about online courses is the stuff will be buried somewhere in a module in the course and I'll forget, okay, well, where did I learn that thing? I have made it so easy for you guys. Every single link, every PDF, every cheat sheet, every meditation, anything and everything you need is in the Stress Proof Your Life toolkit. How cool is that? And then, I don't know if y'all knew this or not, but I wrote a book. And so it was actually a bestseller on Amazon when it debuted, and you're going to get that as one of my bonuses for free. And so you don't even have to go on Amazon and buy it. It's going to just come to your inbox. And then we're going to set up the Facebook group and invite you in. It's private. You can, all of the modules be right there too. So I think I've hit every single thing that I can to help you get what you want and need, right? So hopefully this has been a good little introduction to what is in an online course, how it can help you. All you have to do, I'm going to drop the link underneath of this Facebook Live, and then all you have to do is go to the page, and if you want this, you just, I want to check out the offer, or go down here, yes, I'm ready to get started. You'll get all of that for just $27, which is less than it would cost to come in and meet with me or to meet with me virtually online. So all the stuff that's in my brain is now in this course. And I really just want, my whole goal is to help get you to zero pain. And if we can do that, then that's, gosh, how awesome is that? So thank you for dropping in and checking this out today. I cannot see the comments, so I apologize if you've jumped on that I didn't say hi to you. But if you drop a comment down in the bottom, if you have any questions or anything you want to say, just drop it there and let me know. And hopefully you'll at least go and check out the offer and see what you think. Oh, I see. There's Kathy. Yay. Hi, Kathy. I'm glad you're here. So anyway, I'm going to drop that link down there for you guys right now. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. And I hope everybody has an amazing and awesome day. So thank you. Love you. Bye.